ko nakikita yung V3. So, buti sa mga. Hindi ko na nakita actually yung V3. So, napakaganda ako. Oo ba?
My name is Cha, and I'm your host for today.
SM Baliwag! Ayan, kamusta po ang lahat? I'm seeing a lot of familiar faces, and ayan, actually, a few minutes ago, magkakasama tayo over lunch, and I'm very thankful for each and every one of you for joining us in this celebration. Of course, first day sale ng ating Honor 400 5G. Ayun. Taos puso po kami nagpapasalamat para sa aming media friends na talagang sumuporta hanggang Baliwag, Bulacan para lang sa official welcome natin sa Honor 400 5G. Okay? And of course, allow me to also acknowledge our big bosses present today. Honor Philippines Country Manager, Mr. Sean Yuan. GTM Director, Mr. Steven Yan, and as well as our partners from Blue Strong, Miss Brenda, and SM Baliwag, Sir Eugene. First, our newest store in Central Luzon, here in SM Baliwag. And to officially introduce your AI phone, Honor 400 5G. And for our media friends here, you know how we've been working tirelessly for this AI phone, and it really warms our hearts to see the support that not just you are giving us, but also our Honor fans and our shoppers today. And I'm very excited for those who showed up today to claim their very own Honor 400 5G. And we have an exciting afternoon for you guys, so please stay with us until the very end. Again, this is Dennis from Honor Philippines, and together, let's officially welcome Honor 400 5G.
Thrilled and of course honored to open our newest store right here at SM City Baliwag. Today is not just about a new store, it's about bringing the future of technology closer to you. We're celebrating the incredible success of the Honor 400 5G, proudly called your AI phone, a device that's changing the way we tell our stories. One of its most jaw-dropping features is the AI image to video. Can I see a hand kung sino yung mga nakatry na ng feature na to? Ayan, thank you. Imagine this, you have a single photo, mga photo na with your barkada, or maybe a little throwback ng with your family. And then with just a tap, your Honor 400 5G can turn this still image into a moving memory. So nag-add siya ng motion, ng emotion, and even yung mga cinematic element, as if video siya, as if all along. So it's like bringing your photos back to life. Honor 400 5G is definitely more than just a phone. It's your own personal content creator. With its triple camera setup featuring a powerful 200 megapixel ultra clear AI main camera, a 50 megapixel portrait selfie camera, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. The Honor 400 5G captures sharp and clear shots across all angles, whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, and even artistic portraits. The front camera also delivers impressive clarity for selfies and video calls, all enhanced by our Honor's advanced portrait algorithm for vivid and high-quality results. Powered by the Honor AI imaging engine, the device intelligently adjusts the lighting, the tone, and background, making every image look like it was professionally edited, even if you just tapped and snapped. And with a massive 512 gigabytes of storage and 24 gigabytes of RAM, composed of additional 12 gigabytes plus 12 gigabytes of Honor RAM Turbo, you'll never have to worry about deleting memories or slowing down multitasking or editing content. All of this, Honor 400 comes to life on a 6.55-inch eye comfort AMOLED display with 2.5K resolution and up to 5,000 nits peak brightness, giving you an immersive, vibrant viewing experience and even under direct sunlight. To power all these features, the Honor 400 5G packs a 6,000 mAh battery built for all-day use and supports 80 watts Honor Supercharge so you can recharge quickly and get back to what matters most. This launch also became even more iconic as we welcome our very own and local endorsers, Julia Barreto and Joshua Garcia, who really represent the elegance, trust, and authenticity of the Honor brand.
Byron, baba mo naman yung kamay mo.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now ready to cut the ribbon in 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations, Honor Philippines and Blue